music credit has to be given to him. So Tarana and Tilana in Carnatic classical are borrowed concepts. In Tarana, usually there is gibberish. There is no meaning allotted to the lyrics of the composition. You will have words like Yalili, Nadir Dir Tom. And in recent times, because of a lot of external factors, people have even tried to ascribe some meanings to this gibberish in terms of Yalili has certain connotations with certain religion. But then at the other end, you also have Alauddin Khilji Sahab and a lot of people adhering to some other religion beliefs singing Nadir Dir Tom. And Tom is nothing but it has originated from home. So the secular aspect of Tarana is usually not emphasized enough. So if you have Nadir Dir Tom, you also have Yalili. So I think our Upanishads say Ekam Satya Vipra Bahuda Vadanti. So music, I think, is that universal language. And by music I mean Gayan, Nrityam, Vadan, Triyam Sangeetam Uchyate. The three constitute classical music. They are the best ways to reach the Almighty. So Tarana is one of my favorite pieces because I think it celebrates the spirit of our Upanishads, Ekam Satya, Vipra Bahudha Vadanti. There are multiple ways to reach the same truth. So arguing about that way, I think, is a futile exercise in life. So with that, I would like to present a very beautiful Tarana in Raag Darbari, one of my favorite Taranas, which I have performed, innumerable times. And today it's a very special occasion that I'll have my students performing with me. And I don't say it out of humility, but they do a better job than me. So the future belongs to them. So give them a big round of applause.
Dana